Hi, BizHackers. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload a contact list and create a custom audience out of that. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go to the Audiences menu, which is found under the Assets column right over here. You might have noticed that I have a link right over here. So over time, as you start to work with Ads Manager a little more, Facebook will just start to place shortcuts for you here under Frequently Used. But if not, again, just go to Assets and then click Audiences. All right, once you've arrived to the Audiences page, you'll see your table here with all your custom lookalike and saved audiences. To add a new one, we're going to click on Create Audience and then click on Custom Audience. We're then going to select the customer file option and then add customers from your own file. And you're going to get this new notification. So this is new. This is due to the Cambridge Analytica scandal. So now Facebook is making advertisers verify or confirm that they did obtain the data, through ethical methods. So you just have to click I accept. All right, so now you have to select the original data source. So in this particular case, we're going to select directly from customers. We're then going to click on the upload file, but actually returning to this step, read through them and just select the one that applies to you. But for this example, I'm going to select directly from customers. I'm then going to click upload file, search for the files stored locally on my computer. So I have something called contact list. So I'm going to make that selection, click open. Now you should see the file there uploaded. You can name the audience whatever you want to. Again, you want to name it something where you're going to recall and easily be able to tell at a glance, what this audience is comprised of. You'll then click next. So you notice I've got a few exclamation marks here and then a green check mark. So with the green check mark, Facebook was able to validate what the format of the data was. So it was able to recognize that all of the data under this header on the spreadsheet titled email are in fact email addresses. It is not recognizing the first and last name. So to fix that, it simply is a matter of clicking on this drop menu and letting Facebook know what this data is. So in this case, these are all first names. In this case, they are all last names. And then company, I don't really need that for, really not going to make any use of that. So I'm going to leave that alone as do not upload. But you'll notice now that the last name and the first name columns now have a check mark. So now we're going to click upload and create. And there we have 20 rows uploaded. So something to keep in mind is that there has to be at least 100 people enrolled in Facebook on this list if you want to be able to use it for advertising or to try to create a lookalike audience from it. So if you do not have, so in this particular case, since it's only 20 people, we definitely cannot use it. But if you had a list of more than 100 people, and at least 100 are not enrolled in Facebook, then you really wouldn't be able to use the custom audience. So just keep that in mind when creating a custom audience and see if it's even worth your time to upload it or try to create a custom audience out of it. So that is essentially it. Once you click done, you're going to see that new audience. It should appear on the first row of your audiences table. The availability is it's going to take a while until it reflects that it's ready. So Facebook is just kind of doing its thing, running its processes, and trying to find all those users for you, and trying to verify if they're all enrolled in Facebook. So this can typically take about 10 to 15 minutes. So just be patient while Facebook is doing its thing. Um, that is it. So if you have any questions, do talk to your coaches, and they'll be able to answer it, or you can just reach out to me directly as well, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. All right, thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.